right there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, it's like, look.
Literally.
It's, the whole thing is rotating right here. It's just got a wide area rotation right now.
I think we may need to go a little bit further north.
Okay, which direction is that? Turn
toward them.
Toward them?
Yeah. Because it's going to come across right where we are.
Right there, dude. Look.
Yeah.
What? What's that sound? Oh, you ever see one of those?
No.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
Dude, I think we're driving into the circulation.
No, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going. Keep going.
There's a stop sign.
Nobody. Nobody come running. Go. Go, go, go. Woo.
Ooh, I see something streaking out. That's probably the rain.
That's the rain.
Dude, it's rotating right above us. Can we pass this guy? Keep going or what?
Huh?
Huh?
No.
I think I gotta stop because I don't want it to drop right on top of us.
Wow. Rotating rain curtains. Oh. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come
right in the
on.
center.
Right there. Right there.
You got it. You got one. Is it on the ground?
It's not on the ground yet. I can't tell. There's trees.
Oh, the sun's coming through too. How cool.
Awesome. Awesome. We are streaming. We are streaming.
You want to get outside?
No, I'm good. You want to get outside?
No. I still can't tell if it's on the ground or not.
It's not. It's going back up.
And we had a definite funnel.
Yes, we did. Just could not tell if it was on the ground or not. Ah, crap.
That sucked.
Oh, joy.
Sorry for me.
No worries.
it so blurry?
Is that on the ground?
Looks like it. Yeah, it's definitely on the ground now.
It's on the ground. Here, can you move the car so you can get it on street?
Yeah, sorry. Right, this is what I didn't want to do.
Yeah.
Is there a driveway? There's a driveway behind us. Get over there.
Yeah.
I think we can.
Okay, you got it.
Will it come off this and do that? Yeah, do that.
Okay.
This is great.
Next one. Yep.